Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning. Hope you are fine and healthy. Today we are starting a new unit number 14, volume. Textbook page number 231 till 237. Our learning objectives are to develop the concept of volume of liquids, to estimate and compare volumes. What is volume? Volume refers to the amount of space the object takes up. If the object is hollow or empty, volume is the amount of water it can hold. Now open textbook page number 231, write day, date and classwork at the top. Look at this page. You can see in this picture there are some objects placed on a cloth, and each object has a different size or shape. Can you tell me which container can hold the most water? Yes, it's the bucket. Bucket has more space than the other containers. So write the bucket under the question in the green part in this page. Now turn to the next page 232. Write classwork above. Understanding volume. There are some containers here, and you can see there is a colored water in them. The volume of colored water in each container is the space it takes up. Next page 233. Write classwork above. It's an activity. Let's explore. Question: does the volume of water change when it is poured into different containers? Let's find out. For this activity we need three containers, and you will perform this activity by yourself. I will explain you how. First, take three containers of different sizes. Put some water in one container and mark the level. Then pour that water into the second container. Again mark the level of water here. Then pour the water from the second container to the third container and again mark the level. What you will find out? When you will observe that the marking may be different on each container. That shows the level of water, but the volume of water will not change. Water can take the space of any container, but the volume of water will not be changed. So turn to the next page, page number 234. Write classwork above. Comparing volume. Question number 1. Mother poured orange juice into two similar jugs. Did mother pour the same amount of orange juice into each jug? Look at the jugs, jug A and jug B. Did mother pour the same amount? No. The level of orange juice in each jug is different. Compare the amount of orange juice in each jug. Now we are going to compare them. You can observe, if you look at them, that the level of the orange juice in jug A is higher than in jug B. It means the volume of orange juice in jug A is greater than that in jug B. Next page 235. Write classwork above. It's again an activity. Question: compare the volume of water in the following container. The water level in each container is the same, but the containers are of different sizes. So, for comparing these three containers, they put the water into similar glasses, so we can compare them easily. Observe the glasses. The level of the water is different in each glass. So, turn page 236, write classwork. It's the continuity of the page. Now, as you look at the glasses under the containers, you will find out the level of water in glass on the left is the highest. The glass on the left contains the greater volume of water. And the level of water in the middle glass is the lowest. It means the volume of water in the middle glass is the smallest. And the third glass on the right side, that glass has more volume than glass in the middle and less volume than the left glass. So the conclusion is the volume of water in container A is the greatest. The volume of water in container B is the smallest. Down there is a let's explore activity. You can perform this activity by yourselves with the help of any person or siblings, and I hope you will enjoy that activity. It is quite similar, the activity we have discussed above. Now turn to next page. This is our last page for today, 237. Write classwork. Question number, comparing volume. Question number 1. Compare the amount of syrups in each bottle. Now we have 4 similar bottles, P, Q, R and S, and the level of syrup in each bottle is different. So there are 4 parts here. Draw the lines in front of each part so you can write your answers. A. Which bottle has the greater volume of syrup, P or R? First we compare P or R bottles. Look at their level of syrups. Yes. Bottle P has the greater level, has the higher level of syrup than R. So P bottle has the greater volume. Write P in front of A part. B. Which bottle has the smaller volume of syrup, Q or S? Now compare Q and S bottles. Look at their level of syrup and you will find out that the volume of syrup in bottle S is smaller than in bottle Q. So write S in front of B part. C. Which bottle has the greatest volume of syrup? Now we are comparing our 4 bottles, P, Q, R and S. Look at the level of syrups in them and you will find out that the bottle P has the greatest level. So write P in front of the C part. D. Which bottle has the smallest volume of syrup? Again compare all bottles and you will find out bottle S has the smallest volume of syrup. So write S in the D part. Now moving towards question number 2. There is some tea in each of these containers. The tea in each container is poured into similar glasses as shown. We have 4 parts. Draw a line for answers in front of each part. Now look at 3 containers. They have poured the tea into similar glasses, so we can compare them easily. A. Which container has a greater volume of tea, A or B? First compare A or B containers. Look at the glasses under them. The level of tea in glass A is higher, so we can say bottle A has the greater volume. Write A in front of A part. B. Which container has smaller volume of tea, B or C? Now compare B or C containers. Look at the glasses under them. Yes, container B has the smaller volume because the glass under it has the less tea than the glass under the container C. So write B in front of B part. C. Which container has the greatest volume of tea? Now compare all 3 containers A, B and C and we will find out the greater volume of tea. So look at the glasses again. The glass under the A container has the greatest volume. So we write A in front of C part. D. Which container has the smallest volume of tea? Again look at all the containers and their glasses under them and you will find out that container B has the smallest volume because the glass under it has the minimum water than others. So write B in front of the D part. Now our homework for today, page number 2B workbook, page number 123 and 124. On page number 123, you will put, there are 2 parts of in a question and you will put a tick under the container which has less volume. On page number 124, you will write true or false after reading the statements. And inshallah, I will upload the answer keys soon. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.